Hello, my name is Brendan O'Connor from Aquafact, and we were the lead researcher on the EPA-funded project CLEAR, which stands for Coastal Lagoons, Ecology and Restoration. Irish coastal lagoons are threatened by nutrient-rich runoff from land and flood control measures. This problem is most severe on the east and south coasts, where the best example of a lagoon, Ladies Island Lake in County Wexford, is now badly polluted with fish kills and algal blooms, much like Lough Neagh. An effect of this pollution is the impact on the plant and animals that live on or in the lake bed. Saline lagoons are a threatened habitat in the European Union and Ireland, and they are protected under the EU Habitats Directive as a priority habitat. Their loss will result in the extinction of many specialised species, the disappearance of winter feeding grounds for migratory birds, and, inevitably, heavy fines from the EU. In addition, the huge algal blooms will damage tourism. We were fortunate to find a nearby saline gravel pit lagoon which was in excellent conservation condition, and we used this site as a control and adapted shallow lake theory to allow us to compare an unimpacted lagoon system with Ladies Island Lake, which is dominated by massive blue-green algal blooms. Our results suggest that a 5 to 7-fold reduction in nitrogen and phosphorus inputs will be necessary to return the lake to its previous condition. The study on the ecology of the lake bed was the use of sediment profile imagery at both study locations. We also compared a data set with results of our data set with the results of a similar survey carried out in the 1980s, and the comparison of these two data sets showed that a highly significant difference had occurred between then and now. No improvements in the lake's ecology are possible without a very large reduction in nutrient runoff from the land. Some amelioration may be possible by protecting the lagoon shoreline by tree planting, the use of artificial wetlands, and the removal of nutrient-rich sediments, but society must resolve the conflict between heavy use of nitrogen and water resources. To find out more about our project and its findings, please visit our website and/or contact us via Twitter. Thank you.